Hi, my name is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to install our software on your computer. I will have emailed you an installation email, Logic Trace software installation, or the name of the program installation, and it will have in there a link to download the software. It will have instructions on how to install the software, and there will be videos that show how to use the software program. So in that installation email, just click the link to download the software and it will download onto your computer. You will probably get a message from Windows or your operating system saying, do you really want to do this? And you'll need to say yes, you really want to download and install it. The program should install automatically. If it doesn't, then go to your downloads folder and double click the name of the program and it should start the install process. Again, you'll probably have to say, yes, you really want to do this. Once you've started the install program, you're going to get a little window on your screen that says that you need a security code to install the software. It's going to have this little green number here. Contact me with that green number either by email, phone, or text message, and then I will then give you the security code to type in here to start the software. So in this case, it was 9767. I click install software and then you get the window for the installation. I click next. I agree to the terms. I click next and then I click install and it will copy all of the files onto the computer. It takes about 30 seconds and then I'm finished and the software has been installed. To start the software, there's two ways to do it. I can either double click on a shortcut that was installed on your desktop, or I can click the start button of Windows, scroll down to the Logic Group, and then click the name of the program and it will start. My name is John Walsh. If you have any questions or problems, please contact me. Thank you.